At 77 years old, Daniel still cares about how he looks, especially when it comes to staying healthy and confident in his own skin. Recently, he's noticed a few changes around his neck, the kind that come naturally with time, and it's made him wonder if others feel the same way. Maybe you've noticed those little shifts too, and thought about whether there are small, natural things you can do to look and feel your best as the years go by. Daniel has started trying a few simple steps that really make a difference. Nothing drastic, just easy ways to support his health, his confidence, and the way he shows up every day.
Support collagen and elastin production naturally. Your skin's firmness depends on collagen and elastin. Try these supportive steps. Activate stem cells. Light-based patches such as LifeWave X49 or X39 help signal the body's own repair mechanisms and support collagen regeneration. Enhance skin renewal. The Olavita system, patch and skincare, works from the inside out, improving skin hydration, reducing oxidative stress, and helping maintain a youthful glow. Nutrition. Focus on foods rich in amino acids, collagen precursors, vitamin C, copper, and zinc, for example citrus, berries, bone broth, and leafy greens. Hydration. Proper hydration keeps skin plump, resilient, and supple.
To help tighten and lift the neck area, I like to include a few simple exercises that keep the muscles active and toned. These gentle movements work the platysma, the thin sheet of muscle that supports the front of the neck, along with the surrounding jawline muscles. One of my favorites is the chin tuck. Press your tongue lightly to the roof of your mouth and slowly lift your chin toward the ceiling until you feel a gentle stretch. Another is the neck lift. While lying flat, raise your head just an inch or two off the surface and hold for about 5 seconds before relaxing. The real secret is consistency. Just a few minutes each day can help strengthen those muscles, improve firmness, and give your neck a more youthful contour over time.
When it comes to tightening and firming the skin, supporting your body from the inside makes all the difference. The LifeWave X39 patch helps activate your body's own copper peptides, GHKCU, a natural signal that stimulates collagen repair, improves elasticity, and promotes healthier, more youthful-looking skin. You can enhance those results by maintaining good hydration and overall skin health. Retinoids or bakuchiol can help increase cell renewal, while hyaluronic acid, found naturally in the body, keeps skin smooth, plump, and resilient. And as a simple habit, always treat your skin gently and apply care in an upward and outward direction, reinforcing lift, strength, and confidence in how you present yourself every day.
Supportive treatments, non-surgical. If you're open to exploring a few advanced wellness tools, there are gentle, non-surgical options that can further support firmness and skin renewal. Red and near-infrared light therapy help energize the cells that produce collagen and elastin, improving tone and texture over time. Microcurrent devices use a soft electrical current to stimulate and lift the facial and neck muscles, creating a more defined appearance naturally. And for deeper support, radio frequency, RF, or ultrasound therapy can gently heat the underlying layers of skin, encouraging collagen remodeling and a firmer foundation beneath the surface. These approaches don't replace daily care. They simply enhance it, helping your skin respond and renew more effectively as part of your overall wellness routine.
Lifestyle habits that protect firmness. When it comes to keeping your skin firm and youthful, the little daily habits really add up. Think of this as your personal to-do list for aging well. Get consistent, restful sleep. It's during deep sleep that your body repairs and regenerates collagen. Manage stress. High cortisol levels can break down collagen and speed up the aging process, so make time for calm moments and breathing breaks. Protect your skin. Avoid smoking and limit sun exposure. Both are leading causes of premature sagging and loss of elasticity. Check your posture. Keeping your head upright instead of tilted down over screens prevents tech neck and keeps the neck area looking lifted and strong. Small choices each day can make a big difference, supporting not just your appearance, but your energy and confidence as well.
If you'd like to learn more or see how these simple steps can help you look and feel your best, I'd love to connect. You can reach me directly at 559-701-8088 or visit cray2wellness.us to explore more natural ways to support your health, energy, and confidence. Remember, it's never too late to feel your best.